Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alaysia and this is Life of a Saint, and this is moving day for me. I'm super excited to do this because I'm actually really stressed and I look terrible, but you know what? We finally here. We are moving inside my luxury apartment. But yes, so much fun. This probably be a quick video because it's been rough. I will sit down and tell y'all later what the rest of the day had for me. Alright. Okay, so finally in here trying to do stuff. I am unpacking some things. I basically already got the kitchen done and it's still a lot left. I can show y'all. It's still got a little bit more stuff done. There's stuff here, stuff here. Got these boxes. I have this and my plants. I just brought my plants over today and I still got stuff over here. So I'm still unpacking and the kitchen is done. My mom is in there cleaning and we are lit. It is coming along. It's starting to feel like home. I definitely already have my bed set up and I'm still waiting for my mattress to come over there. But yeah, so I got all that stuff done and right now I am just waiting on myself. I have to get organizers for the bathroom stuff because yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna really put all my cosmetic stuff. I'm thinking about probably putting it right behind me in this closet right there. If you can see it, can you see it? And right in this closet. So yes, that is my plan. But right now I feel dusty and dirty and it has been an adventure. I will not be moving probably ever again until I'll be going to a house because this has been real, or I'm just gonna get like movers and people to pack my stuff, back my stuff because I'm dead not doing this again. Y'all see my mother back there? She gonna try to hide. She gonna try to hide. She don't want to be in the camera, so she not gonna be in it, but Mommy, say hi. Hi. Why you don't turn around? Raven, why you not gonna turn around?
Because I'm cleaning. What are you doing?
I'm recording for my YouTube. You're not gonna come in? You're not gonna say hi to my YouTube channel? This high-tech broom system I brought for her. Why you not gonna say hi? Why you even got your mask on? Oh, it's too She's been a pleasure. She is cleaning my kitchen and my bathroom for me. And I love that. Thank you, Raven. You are wonderful. If y'all know how I can clean these floors, please let me know because it feels like I could get a splinter. Like,
Who's this?
you sure?
Yes.
Oh, dang.
And you only need a little bit.
Well, leave that here then. Why? I brought it anyway and you didn't pay me back for it. So technically it's mine. So probably tomorrow I will have the unpacking done for the bathroom part and then I can show you a little bit how much more I've done and then I can show you my old apartment and how that looks because yes, I have moved out completely. Tomorrow is Memorial Day and that is my last time in that apartment. It took me about 4 days to move my stuff. I was really by myself. I had movers and they really messed my apartment up and I was so mad and it took them forever. So mad. But you know what? God the glory. Put my little mirror set up right here. But yes, guys. Oh, I set up my TV too. If y'all know about the TV and the situation about that, I'm gonna put it next after this so y'all can see how I got this TV. Son, Genesis got me in here about to buy this 75 TV.
It's a bargain.
It is a bargain. It's a bargain, but it's the same size as me. Look.
Now you trying to.
We the same size. Like if I lay this way, like we
Right.
the same size.
We don't care how big the TV is.
I'm really nervous. Actually, we don't care.
We don't care.
It will look. I don't think this can go on
A wall. It's okay. It's a bargain. I don't care. I mean, we just spent like an hour and a half. We did going back and forth on TV, so
We getting this. Can this be shipped? Can they hold this for me?
So we came in here maybe like 2 hours ago at this point, right? We looked up like housing stuff, and then we were like, let's go check out the TVs. We go
Just in
check out.
case, you know, it's Memorial Day weekend.
I didn't even remember.
They suffer their prices now.
We praise God for coming now, because there was a price on the wall, and Shorty was like, well, we can honor this price, yada yada yada. If it's one thing you don't do is honor the price.
What TV? Any TV? No problem.
No problem. TV was like $5 something. We don't care how big the TV is. Y'all gonna honor the price.
TV at this point.
Now, how are we gonna move this TV?
No idea. Do we can't? We don't. At this point, we can't. I know. Because this will go on some wall. Somebody's wall. Son, do you see this?
Whether it be your wall, whether it be...
Yes, it's going on somebody. I wonder if this could even go up. I need to call Dan. Where Dan? Can I put a 75-inch TV on the wall? Is that capable? I don't
Call
know.
the property manager, bro.
Right now, because it would be easy to put it in my mom's house still, because we wouldn't have to walk up that many stairs.
Oh, all right. That sounds
It's only
good.
like 5 stairs. Like 5 stairs better than 20. It is.
Okay, okay. So stay tuned
Stay
for
tuned.
Life of Saint